Yeah. Fish on, baby. Yes. Finally. Ooh, feels like a, let's see. Nice little splake. And he's off. Heck yeah. Look at that little guy. Look at the color. Fatty, little fatties right there. Hey, welcome to Hooked on Utah. Can you believe it? It's finally winter. Ice fishing season is here. We got a really cool adventure for you. We're right here on a high mountain lake down in Sanpete County. Hopefully, we're gonna put some big tigers, splake, maybe a brook or two, and hopefully a cutthroat on the ice. It's gonna be a ton of fun. So bundle up, stay warm, sit back, relax, and enjoy tonight's really cool ice fishing adventure. There we go, fish on, baby. Nice. Oh, good tiger, good tiger. Very nice, look at that. Heck yeah. Look at that, first tiger of the day.
Right in the mouth, right in the tip.
Nice little circle hook. So we're in about 10 feet of water. Working this big flat. We've got a lot of fish coming in, but they just haven't been biting yet. So this is actually our first catch of the day. Look at that fatty. That's a good looking tiger right there.
Yeah, he's a chunk.
That's a dandy. Chunky, chunky monkey.
Get him back.
Nicely done. He's gone. Atta boy. First fish of the day. Skunk is off the ice.
It's about time.
Let's go. Yeah!
That little guy.
Yeah, fish on, baby! What do we got? Oh, tiger!
Little tiger. Not a lot of color to him. Let's see.
That is sweet. We'll take that all day
was a
long.
long time coming on that guy. Big, this pearl tube.
The bite's been a little slow, hasn't it? They're there.
There are a lot of fish there. Just the bite's light. They're little.
Oh, and he made it in the hole.
He's ready to go home.
He scores.
Maybe.
That's awesome.
There he goes.
Hey, well,
Oh yeah, the skunk, man. We got to get the skunk off.
atta boy, it's starting to happen.
Finally.
Finally.
Real shallow. 10 feet.
Yeah, baby. Heck yeah. Oh, it's putting up a good fight. Looking good.
Got my other rod.
I think you're okay. I don't think it does. Okay, you're good. Rod's clear.
Yep.
That's clear. Dude, this is a good fish. Good fish. I love it. Heck yeah.
Oh, it's a small one. Oh, off right under the ice.
It was not that small.
It looked
No,
like it.
no, it was a good fish. It was a good tiger.
No.
Dude, that was probably about a 15 to 18 inch tiger. Right there, bumped him on the edge of the ice like they always do, man. They get up there and bang their fish, but on just such a small jig head, sometimes they can just pop it right off.
Yeah, tungsten there with a little bit of minnow.
Right on.
Half a minnow.
Hey, awesome. All right, let's do this. Heck yeah, you still got him?
Yeah, he's
Oh, sweet, Splake.
yeah, got a splake on this one.
That is awesome, dude. That's a
There we
good looking
go.
little splake.
Oh my.
He just inhaled your little tube.
He got serious.
That's so sweet.
Nice.
We'll take that. We'll let you wrestle that.
Yeah.
Get him undone and put him back in.
gonna
Little
have-
gold Berkeley tube.
Yes.
That's so awesome. That's one of the
Little
go-tos
piece
right
of-
there.
Little piece of minnow.
Nice.
Just a little tail on it, right on the bottom, sitting right on the bottom, dead sticking.
Dude, we're starting to figure him out. It's starting to happen, baby. I love it.
Let's do
Atta
it.
boy. What we started out today, our plan initially was let's hit 8 to 10 feet of water. We did that, drilled holes, we're marking fish. We had lots of fish activity, but nothing really happening. So we looked at the fish apps. We noticed that, you know, the major time was around 10, but it's 9:30. So in the last 15 minutes, we started catching fish. And so that's something to look at. Sometimes it's unpredictable, but we're gonna stay in this depth for a while because we've got fish coming in and they're circling the bait. So, you know, if you're not seeing fish, move. And if we hit the major time and it's not happening, we'll move out a little deeper. But that was our starting plan. We're gonna stick with it for a little bit and see if it continues to produce. Right. You're on? Fish on, baby! Heck yeah!
There he is.
Yeah! Atta boy! Check that out. Dude, he just inhaled it.
Yeah. Dunk him real quick.
Nice.
It is.
Good looking tiger. We're starting to get them figured out. Now what's interesting, we just looked at our fishing app. The major time is in about 35, 40 minutes. So as it's picking up, we're starting to get more bites and more fish. That's what we're talking about. Okay, so where are you from?
I'm from Kaysville.
Kaysville. Your name?
Matt.
Matt. I just met Matt today, so I don't have his name dialed in. Matt, you want to give a shout out to anybody?
No, I'm
Okay,
good. Just
perfect.
happy to be fishing.
Yeah, Matt's not shouting out to any of you. I'll give you a shout out from Matt. Shout out from Matt.
There you go.
I've got multiple fish on me. Oh yeah, fish on, baby. Fish on for Uncle Gary. Hey, hey, Splaker. Splaker. Very nice. First fish for me. I love it, dude. They've been super finicky. I think we got another fish coming over here. No, pop him free. But look at that gorgeous little splake. Beautiful. Beautiful. A little bigger, and I might think about keeping him for the grill. But that's awesome, man. We're figuring it out.
It's a circle hook.
It had one. Bring it back up.
Got a fish on. This little guy, little splake, little teeny guy. Just messing with reels and stuff, and this baby just hit it and pounded. I got a little white, little chartreuse with a waxworm on it. I've been hit several times and not been able to hook up, but a nice splake. Oh yeah. Fun. It's been a little bit of a slow morning. The good on the minnows and the wax worms are hitting, but not quite taking this bubble. I haven't swallowed it quite well. It was just dead sticking, so I have to let him go. Send him home and send him to catch another day. Let's catch some more in the wind. It's nice and chilly this morning.
One more. Another little tiger.
Nice. How many is this for you today?
Well, That's 3, but we're working pretty hard for them. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, nice little tiger. But boy, we're sure having to work for him today.
Where'd you catch that one on?
Had just this little tube jig with a little piece of minnow. That seems, minnow seems to be the secret for us today. So yeah, just tipping it with a little minnow, setting it right down there on the bottom, just watching the fish finder, watching the fish come to them. The bites are really pretty light, so you got to be right on top of it to get it. So yeah, it's working hard for it. This cold weather, we're paying our dues today.
No, I think the wife's cool.
There he is. Oh, did I miss him? Oh, I got him. There, another one. Oh, a splake.
Come on now. Nice.
Yeah, that's 2. 1, 2. Right in the. Whoa. Well, back to get bigger.
There we go, fish. Oh, there we go, tiger. Finally, man. The bite is so crazy slow. There's fish everywhere, and it's just, you're just having to tease them into biting. Little teeny tiger. Give you a quick look at this guy. Look how beautiful. Gorgeous fish. Beautiful tiger. We've caught several this size. I got him on I'll show you what I caught him on. Oh, it came off someplace in here. Well, I have to find it. Maybe he took it with him. No, I didn't. It's this little rainbow Berkeley, just, you can barely see it right there. Little rainbow Berkeley minnow. And just trying to get him to go for it, just tipping it, jigging it, moving it, working it, and they finally took it. But I've got fish all over, and that's what's been going on today. There's lots of fish. It's just so difficult to get them to bite. You're trying dead sticking, jiggling, wiggling, dancing, moving, and every once in a while they'll play with you and give it to you. So let's get after it, see if we can get another one.
Well, we got another little tiger on that same jig on a minnow. So it's staying consistent of what they're catching, but boy, we're having to pay our dues with this weather today. So, but still fun to get out and catch a fish. If my fingers would undo that hook. Of course, I can't feel my fingers. Come on, let go of that. Come on. There, we got him. Little tiger that doesn't have a lot of color to it. But there we go. There we go. Boy, we're working hard to get them. It's a cold. All right, on to the next.
You know, when we come up on these high adventures, we bring our snowmobiles and all of our equipment. One thing that gives me comfort is knowing that I've got the right company standing behind me with the right insurance. xinsurance.com. You know, I love the fact that they will insure your business, your family, the activities that you love to do, whether it's boating, UTVing, hiking, river rafting. That's kind of how they cut their teeth. We're adventure activities, higher risk, but they cover everything. What I love about them is they're not just going to give you a quote on a price, but they will understand what you do, what you love to do, give you the very best policy. Then when you need them, they will stand behind you. Check them out, xinsurance.com. You're going to love what they can do for you, your family, and your business. right there. Such a good looking fish. Man, when these get to be, you know, 22 inches long, that's gonna be a nice fish. Put him back, let him go. So sporadic. The bite has just been so sporadic. It's crazy because I've got fish all over the grass, and it just trying to figure out what they're gonna wanna bite is really tricky. They're so picky today. There we go, fish on. I don't think he's, oh, he came off. Shoot. That time I went to the bottom and came up and he struck it right at the bottom, so coming up. So that might be what they want, is a little bit of movement. There's a ton of fish down there. I think what we've got is a bunch of brooks, little tigers, ranging from smaller to bigger. So we're just gonna have to weed through them and see what happens. These have got to be a little smaller fish schooling up in here. Like that. There we go. Oh, little tiger. Little tiny tiger. So I might go to the tube just to not have the small guys coming in. But you know what? Catching these mountain fish, this is pretty freaking cool. Oh, wrapped up in the line. That guy's gonna get big next year. Little tiger in the hole. He'll find his way down. What I'm using is just this little white glow in the dark ice fly, tungsten. So I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna scale up now just a teeny bit, because I think what we've got is a class of fish from smaller to bigger, and I wanna find slightly bigger fish. So I'll go a little bigger, make it a little harder for those small guys to take it. That's the plan. And if you do that, you know, high mountain lakes like this, you have a mix of fish. You'll have those little 6-inchers, and then you will have the bruisers that are feeding on those 6-inchers. So you just got to start swapping up your sizes and colors to weed through the small, get to the bigger fish. But that's the fun of these mountains. It's an adventure. You snowmobile in, go through 36 inches of ice and start fishing. Give it a go, but come prepared. Always bring a buddy. Make sure you got all your safety equipment with you.